Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 15th of October. My disclaimer: I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Okay, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the weekly chart, we're back below the weekly middle band at the moment, but we tested this and tested it and closed well back above it last week, and it only really matters where we are at the end of the week. We are testing below it at the moment. As I mentioned yesterday, we've got a double top here, which is actually broken down with a target in the 88.8 to 90 hour, I think I said. And this is something that I am taking seriously, but we're going to need to see a sustained break below the weekly middle band here, and probably more weakness in equities, which at the moment we're not seeing. Looking at the daily chart, a retest of this low, if we were to see it, would set up a potential RSI 5 buy signal, but at the moment, nothing really compelling saying we're going to see it. We are back testing at the moment the 50 DMA and the weekly middle band. We're currently significantly below both. If we're going to see a recovery to a retest of the highs, obviously we need to break back over those. We haven't seen that yet, and we're not close to it yet. Looking at the hourly chart, this is where you see the double top, and it's nice, and the channel, which I was very sad to see go, because I love having channels in big uptrends, because it gives you very nice support and resistance areas. We will see how that goes. Hey Doug, it's but I covered all this in the post yesterday. Looking at the hourly chart, no current divergence, so nothing to see there. Could be a bear flag forming ABC, but if we see a nice break over the daily middle band, I'll be leaning towards seeing a retest of the highs. Solana held the weekly middle band as well at the close last week, and Ethereum did as well. On the daily chart, Solana is getting pretty close to a backtest of resistance at the 50 DMA at 217 and the daily middle band at 213. Haven't reached that yet, but a break and conversion of that really would make this a very likely bull flag, setting up a retest this high here at 253.58. Worth noting that we still have an open IHS target in the 182 area though, and I expect it, still be expecting to see that afterwards. Looking at the hourly chart, no current divergence. I've drawn in the flag here, not the best in terms of trend lines, but not awful either. That's the obvious lean. Looking at Ethereum, we are back testing the daily middle band there too. We're a little below it at the moment, but break and convert above it, and this is likely a bull flag as well. I've drawn that bull flag in here again, not the greatest trend lines, but again, not awful. So I'm leaning towards this going higher. The only pattern to the downside that's still outstanding, apart from arguably, if one was to say, we haven't quite reached this 3,500 yet. But the only one really I'm looking at of any quality is Bitcoin. And that one is the one I'm really watching. But at the moment, as long as we're in rally mode and we can get back over the daily middle bands, I'm looking for a retest of the highs. I am concerned about what might happen on Solana and Ethereum in the event that we did see a larger retracement on Bitcoin. I think that can actually do a lot of technical damage. I'm leaning against that happening. I don't think the high's in yet, but that would be a bearish thing to happen if we were to see it. All right, great. Let's have a quick look at questions, of which we have none. In which case, that's a wrap. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Everyone, take care. My pleasure.